So I wanted to try to use the Insta360 camera. So that's the one I'm recording on now, the X4, and see like when I've combined it with a DJI mic, how does it perform when like doing walkthrough videos or like vlogs. So that's kind of the purpose of this video, is just to show it. So I used it just right now. I recorded a video for my other channel with the Airbnb. So this house generated $1,300 in revenue the first month, and I was talking about that. And then I recorded it using the 360 camera and the DJI mic too. So yeah, how does it sound? Does it sound okay? I think usually the sound without the microphone is not very good. So what do you think when it's combined with the DJI mic 2 instead? It's very easy to set up. I have another video where I just show that in a few minutes, how to set it up with the DJI mic without putting this box on the camera. And then like the cool part is that I can actually like move the camera more around than if I was doing a normal video. So I think I'm not sure, like I do like the Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3, because it has a bigger sensor, so it's better when it's dark. But now it's light outside, and I can like show the camera, like I can move the camera more around. I can make it like go straight. So what do you think about this combination, and what do you think about the footage? So it's recorded in 8K from the Insta360 X4, but I'm not going to use it in 8K. I usually just post videos in 4K because, like, yeah, no one. Bro, do you have an 8K TV or screen? Write it in the comments below. Here we have the apple trees that are like, yeah, flowering a little bit. Yeah, so that's it. Subscribe to the channel and write what do you think in the comment with the DJI mic, and what do you think about this combination and this video. Does it like sound good? Is it cool? Does it suck? Yeah, I don't know, write it there. Thanks for watching, and if you want to watch the other video with like how do you connect the DJI mic 2, then there's a link to that up here. Bye.